Hurricane devastation as seen from space puts the recent natural disasters in a whole new light. On Wednesday, NASA tweeted photos of the Caribbean island of Barbuda before and after Hurricane Irma. The two photos look as if they're being seen through different colored filters, with the image taken August 27 rich in green, and the one taken September 12 looking like a brown, burned cookie. NASA has collected other before and after images of the Caribbean, and the green-to-brown change is widespread. Two photos of the Caribbean islands, the first taken on August 25, the second on September 10. NASA In a NASA interview with University of Cambridge ecologist Edmund Tanner, the space agency reports the change shouldn't be permanent. Most of the green to brown is the loss of green leaves, because they were blown off, Tanner said. Native vegetation on these islands has been through hundreds of hurricanes since the last major change of climate 10,000 years ago, the end of the most recent ice age, and have been naturally selected to lose leaves and small branches and resprout. I doubt if it is mud since the fairly heavy rain will have washed that off. Virgin Gorda had left on August 25, at right on September 10 was somewhat shielded by hills and managed to hang on to some of its green leaves. NASA notes that the difference in ocean color is caused by rough seas, which appear brighter and lighter. NASA Tanner says the regreening of the islands will take about 6 months. But some small portions of the Caribbean islands will have a tougher recovery. Saltwater from storm surge may have killed trees whose roots were inundated with it, he said. Those trees will take much longer to recover because the soil will need to be desalinated naturally by rain, and seeds will have to germinate and grow. The areas involved are not likely to be large, a fringing zone of a few hundred hectares in some places. Earlier in the month, IS commander and astronaut Randy Bresnik shared sobering images of Hurricanes Irma and Jose as seen from space. Hurricane hunters witness Irma's ire from above,